Previously on HVAC-ette, presented by Access Heating.
Why are you so cold?
Ryan, every time I called, you were always late. And sometimes you didn't even show up. Kevin, you're unprofessional and overpriced.
Hey, that's not true. I'm not late.
Jay, you don't seem to know what you're talking about. I need someone that won't overcharge or upsell me on things I don't need. Someone who's quick, effective, and knowledgeable. Someone I can trust. And that's why I choose you, Access Heating. I've been having this problem with my heater. I can hear it running, but it doesn't seem to be getting any warmer in here. Do you know what's wrong?
Go with the brand you can trust. Access Heating is your access to 5-star service. Click the link to schedule your appointment today.